so this is my desk area. It just feels so good like sitting here because it makes me feel like I'm about to get stuff done. Okay, so that's my calendar, which I've had for a year now, but here is going to be my vision board. And I am excited. I'm getting started. So I got my little materials, some blank white paper. It's gonna go up there. Also, for this gold board, when I bought it from Target, by the way, and the felt board too, also from Target. I was concerned with what I was gonna do, how I was gonna clip the stuff up there because I didn't already have the binder clips that I needed. So I went to Marshall's and bought this, which is really cute. It has like the colors that are in my room, white and gold, and I guess I have a little black. Yeah, I have a little black in here too, so that matches too. But then I opened the thing, and with the screws, it's so cute, even gold screws. There were some for the bottom, but I didn't feel like putting those in there because I didn't need it. They do come with the clips. It's only, what, like 6 of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just 5. Yeah, they come with 5, but how nice of them to even come with any. So those are gonna be cute on there too. But as my, inspiration to keep going, I'm watching The Secret on Netflix as I do it. I've already listened to the disc, so like when I used to be in the car with my dad, he used to have the CDs and he would play them while we were driving, and I'd just be so slumped and I just hate that he kept playing it until one day I actually started listening to it and I was like, oh my gosh, this stuff makes so much sense. And once I really started believing in The Secret, let me tell you, it changed my life. But I haven't listened to it in a long time, and I've never watched this, but this is on Netflix, so I'm gonna watch it as I continue. And I'm pretty sure it's exactly the same as the discs, except with pictures. So, yep. Let me get started. Okay, so I didn't print anything out, but I'm drawing this. This is for my bins, okay? Because I'm going to have a G-Wagon, honey, period. I have it. Today, I already have it. This is my little YouTube because YouTube is paying me. Yes, checks on checks. But this is how my mind works right now, like, oh, I thought of this morning. So I'll explain this in my room, like, tour, my new room redo tour. But, as I'm thinking of things, these are things I want to print out to put on the board. But I'm thinking of, like, these are things I'm going to draw like I did with the YouTube and my bands. I got this from Target, okay? It's actually napkins. But it's so cool because it's money, and boy, I have a lot of it. And just other stuff, they keep saying in The Secret, which I'm loving. And I'm telling you, I'm watching this and screaming. I'm like, yes! Oh my gosh! Yes! Oh my gosh, this is everything! And so every time they say something, I start writing more stuff down and this, even my hands. Oh my gosh, like at that part when he tells you to visualize your hands, literally look at the back of your hands right now, like your own hands, and then close your eyes and imagine them gripping the steering wheel of the car you want to drive. Oh my gosh, I screamed because I could see myself sitting in my beautiful car up here living life. Naya sitting next to me. I don't know where we going, but we going and having a bomb time. Okay, so I'm gonna keep going and update you guys and have more. I haven't put anything up there because I'm trying to put my ideas on the paper and then put the paper on the board. But it's okay, guys, so this is just a preface to say that I am not done with it yet. I still have things to print to add onto the board, but I use my little creativity. And also, by the way, just an FYI, how usually these little packets come with 2 This one from Target only came with one, and it was $1.99 for one. Okay, just an FYI. Maybe you want to go to the dollar store or somewhere else. But here it is. So there it is, and I'll tell you about it. So also these little signs that I put up here: dream, envision, plan, and do. So cute, so cute. I used, definitely saw myself looking a mess. I used these letters, and I felt a little bad because I cut up my Ohio State folder, but I cut up the folder and I just drew with a pencil and cut into these little strips, and I stuck the little things on here because I didn't have construction paper and I didn't want to use white paper and put the gold on the white paper, so I did that. Tips from Tammy. And then here goes. I think this is my favorite part. My money tree. I used a little white piece of paper and like drew the tree and cut it out, and then I folded up that little thing that was a napkin of money, you know. It's gonna open. It's funny now. Goodness gracious. There it is. So it's a napkin, like you can cut it. So I did opened it and cut it all those different ways, and then I folded it and made myself a money tree because I believe money is abundant. You know how people be always be like, money don't grow on trees. We don't have money for that. Well, I have money for that because money does grow on trees and it's abundant. Period. The girl right here is me, and if you can tell, the hair is natural hair and it's waist length. Yes, I'm gonna get there. Period. I think it's a cute little quote. It was on The Secret. Imagination is a preview of the life that's coming. This is my imagination. Intention, because I need to start living intentional. My white coat, which is in here, says my name, my full name, MDMPH, because I'm gonna get that. I have that. She believes, so she did. Saw that on Pinterest. I go to YouTube. That's my, you know how if you have Chase, like when you open your Chase account, like you can see however many of these you have. You have the checking account. That's my checking account, and then there's also a saving, and then I also have a credit card through them. But this is going to be my checking account soon. Yes. I'm grateful because I already have all of this. These were steps that were in The Secret. Ask, believe, and receive. So I need to know that every day. So I'll edit that. That's cute. I love Nike, but I'm not just I'm not living by just do it. I'm living by just did it. So what I want, I already have it. Yes, that's a Benz. My G-Wagon coming soon, okay? You're gonna see videos of that soon, okay? Thoughts become things, period, because they do. I am the Michelangelo of my life. The David that I'm sculpting is me. And the last thing I did, this. Okay, so this is my phone. I have an iPhone, and you know, when you go to your contacts, you can put in your whatever. So I made a contact for my husband, and I just made up that number, so don't try to call it anyway. And in notes, this is like my description of him. I use these emojis and like copy them, and you know, blah blah blah. He has money. He's athletic. We're in love. That's me looking at him. He's educated. He's muscular, and also a businessman. So that is definitely my favorite little one that I created. That was so cute. And Well, between that and the money tree, you know, it was very creative. I really brought out my creativity today. And this is my vision board so far. That little thing, the green thing is the little line or whatever, it's supposed to light up. But I put the batteries in there. Maybe it's because they weren't brand new batteries, but they dang are. So I'm gonna try a different pair of batteries. If they don't work, I'm gonna take it back to Target, try again. And you know, that's my calendar, which I think is so cute. Well, my desk looks a mess right now because of what I've been doing all day, but yeah, I think this is like such a cute little area. Like, really come over here and get my life. I love it. But in addition to my vision board, I made this little cute. It's my portable vision board. I was talking to my friend Lydia. Maybe I'll add her little YouTube channel. But Lydia said to me that over the past few days, or like recently, she wrote down a list of everything she wants and she carries it with her in her pocket. And so like she'll see it throughout the day, which I think is very helpful because like your vision board, you see it like, you know, when you wake up and you see it and like, oh, these are the things I'm going to do today. These are things I've accomplished. These are things I possess. But you do it like once a day. But if you have this portable vision board, keep it in your pocket, you know, you're just going through the day, digging for your chapstick, and boom, you see your vision board, you take it out and remember why you're living with intention, living intentionally. And it reminds you of the things you already possess. This was done a long time ago, and I guess I just never updated it. So this is gonna be at the end of this video. But this is my vision board, okay? And yes, you guys saw the basic outlines of it before, my dream and vision, plan and do. And then at first, you know, I didn't have anything that was printed up here. It was mostly like the stuff I drew like this and wrote like that. I did all that, this, I drew these, I drew this, I did that, did this, and then yeah, I made that, and that. So there's a lot of space that used to be here. And then I went and like printed some stuff out. Black love. And so, and this is a couple, just imagine them black, in Mercedes. Let's see if I can show you where you can see that at. I don't know. Oh, the staple is covering it up in that thing, but yes, that's a Benz. So yes, of course that goes with my Benz. Hello. This is my a G-Wagon parked in front of a house. Cute. Oh, I printed out the Apple logo because Apple need to start giving me some stuff. Hey, I use all Apple stuff. Hey, Apple. That's a cute little house. I don't actually want to live in this kind of house with my family. It's just too open, but it's cute to live there at some point. This is a picture of my closet because yes, it's gonna be that extreme. I love clothes and stuff. A body yaddy yaddy. This is so cute. I love when I talk about this. This is a queue of people. People are queuing up to work with me. That's why I put it that. These are my investments in money just growing. This is another picture of a house. I don't know if it's crooked right now. Oh, sorry, didn't mean that. This and then that. Yes. So this is like in totality my vision board. I definitely have more things now that I'm thinking about it that I could add, but I think I'm gonna wait to do a revamped vision board. But this is my vision board in completion, and I love that it's next to my calendar. You know, just motivation to get stuff done, and you know, intention is literally everywhere. When I wake up from my bed, I look this way. When I'm walking through the door, I look this way, so either way I see it, need to be intentional all the time. Yes, and then I put this on my calendar. Take things off the vision board because they are reality. Start making dreams reality, I'm telling you. Dream, envision, plan, do. I did enough of this. Enough of this. I've been planning now and I need it done, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna redo my calendar for February, but this is my vision board. And thanks for joining me in making it. I hope you guys turn out cute. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys' plans are, how your vision board is going, or how your New Year's resolutions, if you guys did those, are going too.